When it comes to real estate, Kenya does it best here in Africa. That could be the reason to why Nairobi was ranked at position 1 by expatriates when it comes to settling here in Africa. Hundreds of real estate projects are going on in all the 4 cities and other towns. Some of these projects are above 30 floors, for example, 88 Nairobi, 44 floors, Altura Towers, 30 floors, Rama Towers, 30 floors, 1870 West, 30 floors, and many more. However, there is one estate that is catching more attention than all that I've mentioned because it's bigger than them. It's called the River 8. Let's find out the construction progress of the River Estate. Give it a thumbs up if you love the project. And most importantly, do not forget to smash that subscribe button if you haven't. The River Estate Nairobi, located in Ngara, Jadongo Road next to Ngara Girls. Initially, this project was supposed to contain 8 towers, 34 floors each. There is a change of plan. It will now contain 9 towers, 34 floors each. However, there might be an additional of 3 more blocks. That's according to the notice that they have provided at their entrance. A clear understanding will come out after the public participation. According to the information we are getting, the reason for the change of plan is to create more affordable houses of 2 bedrooms than 3 bedrooms. There is therefore much logic behind the change of plan. Considering that a few years back it's only Times Tower that rose above 33 floors, this will be an exciting project, especially for the people who love high-rise buildings. Unlike other projects, this one is only surrounded by roads and a river. It's therefore not easy for any neighbor to launch a complaint against the project. Construction of this project is very well underway, and as you can see, some buildings are already coming up. It's not clear if the public participation meeting will yield a result that might delay the project, but for now, the construction is very well underway. Former President of Kenya, Mwai Kibaki, left behind Thika Road as one of his most iconic projects, a project that has been praised by many. The incumbent president, Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta, is also about to unveil his most iconic project, the Nairobi Expressway, which will be running from Lolongo all the way to James Gishuru. It seems like it will be a new trend for each president who comes in to leave an iconic project to be remembered for. Who will be the next president and what iconic projects will they leave behind? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down there. Give this video a thumbs up if you love it, and most importantly, do not forget to smash that subscribe button if you have not. On the 1st of December 2021, expatriates ranked Nairobi as the best city on the African continent to work in, jumping 50 places from last year. The Expert City Ranking 2021 also ranked Nairobi at position 12 out of 57 cities surveyed across the world. This research was conducted by a global network of expatriates, and they chose Nairobi as the best city on the African continent due to the ease of settling and friendliness of locals.